Life of the African civet, Africa's elusive predator. In the dense woodlands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa, a mysterious creature moves through the shadows with feline grace yet distinctive markings that set it apart from any true cat. The African civet, Civetictis civetta, represents one of nature's most enigmatic predators, combining the stealth of a nocturnal hunter with the adaptability that has allowed it to thrive across diverse African landscapes for millennia. The master of disguise. The African civet's appearance is nothing short of extraordinary. Measuring between 67 to 84 centimeters in body length with an additional 34 to 47 centimeters of tail, this medium-sized carnivore weighs anywhere from 7 to 20 kilograms. What truly distinguishes the civet is its remarkable coat pattern, a complex tapestry of spots, stripes, and bands that creates one of nature's most effective camouflage systems. The civet's fur displays a grayish base color adorned with distinct black spots that transition into stripes along the sides and back. The face bears striking black and white markings, including prominent white patches around the eyes and muzzle that contrast dramatically with dark bands. A distinctive black dorsal crest runs along the spine, which the civet can raise when threatened or excited, making it appear larger and more formidable to potential predators or rivals. Perhaps most notable are the civet's physical adaptations for its lifestyle. Strong, retractable claws provide excellent grip for climbing trees and digging, while powerful jaw muscles house sharp teeth designed for crushing bones and tearing flesh. The elongated snout contains an exceptional sense of smell, crucial for locating prey and navigating in darkness. Nocturnal navigator. As darkness falls across the African landscape, the civet begins its nightly patrol. These solitary creatures are primarily nocturnal, spending daylight hours resting in dense vegetation, abandoned burrows, or hollow trees. Their excellent night vision, enhanced by a reflective layer behind the retina called the tapetum lucidum, allows them to navigate and hunt effectively in complete darkness. The civet's hunting strategy combines patience with opportunism. Unlike specialized predators that focus on specific prey types, civets are generalist feeders with an impressive dietary range. Small mammals form the core of their diet, including rodents, shrews, and young antelope. However, their menu extends far beyond mammals to include birds, eggs, reptiles, amphibians, insects, and even fruits and vegetables during certain seasons. This dietary flexibility has proven crucial to the civet's survival across varied habitats. During dry seasons when prey becomes scarce, civets increase their consumption of fruits, particularly fallen figs and other available vegetation. Their ability to switch between carnivorous and omnivorous feeding patterns demonstrates remarkable ecological adaptability. Territorial architects. African civets are meticulous in establishing and maintaining their territories, which can range from 2 to 10 square kilometers depending on habitat quality and food availability. They employ a sophisticated scent marking system using secretions from their perineal glands, located near the base of the tail. These musky secretions, historically prized by perfumers, contain complex chemical messages that communicate the individual's identity, reproductive status, and territorial claims. Scent marking occurs at strategic locations throughout their territory, on prominent rocks, tree trunks, and along frequently traveled paths. This olfactory communication system allows civets to avoid direct confrontation while maintaining clear territorial boundaries. The intensity and frequency of marking increases during breeding season, when competition for mates and territory reaches its peak. Within their territories, civets establish multiple den sites, rotating between them to avoid detection by predators and to maintain territorial presence across their range. These temporary shelters might include dense thickets, rock crevices, or abandoned burrows of other animals. The reproduction cycle. African civets reach sexual maturity at approximately 1 year of age, with breeding typically occurring during the warmer months when food resources are most abundant. The gestation period lasts about 64 to 72 days, after which females give birth to litters of 2 to 4 kittens in secluded dens. Newborn civets are born blind and helpless, weighing roughly 60 to 90 grams. Their eyes open after about 2 weeks, and they begin venturing outside the den at approximately 1 month of age. The mother provides intensive care during the first few months, nursing the kittens while gradually introducing them to solid food. Young civets remain with their mother for up to 8 months, learning essential survival skills including hunting techniques, territorial navigation, and predator avoidance. This extended learning period is crucial for their development, as civets must master a complex set of behaviors to survive in their challenging environment. Ecological significance. The African civet plays a vital role in maintaining ecosystem balance across its range. As both predator and seed disperser, civets influence multiple levels of the food web. Their predation helps control rodent populations, preventing overgrazing of vegetation and crop damage. Simultaneously, their fruit consumption and subsequent seed dispersal contributes to forest regeneration and plant community diversity. Civets also serve as important prey species for larger predators including leopards, lions, hyenas, and large pythons. This positions them as a crucial link in the African food web, transferring energy from smaller prey species to apex predators. Survival challenges. Despite their adaptability, African civets face mounting pressures in the modern world. Habitat fragmentation due to agricultural expansion and urban development has reduced available territory and isolated populations. Deforestation particularly impacts civets, as they depend on forest cover for shelter and hunting opportunities. Human-wildlife conflict poses another significant threat. Civets occasionally prey on domestic poultry, leading to persecution by farmers. Additionally, they are sometimes caught in snares set for other animals or deliberately hunted for their meat and scent glands. Climate change presents emerging challenges as shifting rainfall patterns affect prey availability and habitat suitability. Prolonged droughts can severely impact civet populations by reducing both prey species and water sources essential for survival. Conservation outlook. Currently, the African civet is classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, indicating that the species is not immediately threatened with extinction. However, this classification may mask regional population declines and local extinctions in heavily developed areas. Effective conservation strategies for African civets must address habitat protection, human-wildlife conflict mitigation, and sustainable land use practices. Establishing and maintaining wildlife corridors can help connect fragmented populations, while education programs can reduce persecution by local communities. Research initiatives focusing on civet ecology and behavior remain essential for developing targeted conservation approaches. Understanding their specific habitat requirements, territorial needs, and response to human activities will inform more effective protection strategies. The future of an African icon. The African civet embodies the resilience and adaptability that characterize Africa's wildlife. Their ability to thrive in diverse habitats while maintaining complex ecological relationships demonstrates the intricate balance of natural systems. As Africa continues to develop and human populations expand, protecting species like the African civet becomes increasingly important for maintaining biodiversity and ecosystem health. These elusive predators remind us that Africa's wildlife extends far beyond the charismatic megafauna that capture international attention. The continued survival of the African civet depends on our commitment to preserving the complex web of life that makes African ecosystems among the world's most remarkable and biodiverse regions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.